Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel SB Leo and welcome to the world of comfort and stylish women's shoes. As we step into 2025, the fashion industry is abuzz with exciting new trends and designs that prioritize both style and comfort. So in this video, we will take you on a journey through the latest fashion must-have in women's shoes, highlighting the most comfortable and sought after style of the year. So guys, please keep in touch with this video till end so that you go through not only the latest design, comfortable style, latest trend of shoes, but a lot of different information regarding these different shoes are going to be shared in this video. So guys, if you are new here in my channel, before proceeding ahead, please don't forget to subscribe SB Leo channel, because this is your channel in which you will find your choice, your taste, and of course different sort of forums are open where you can share your opinion, your comment, and definitely you can share your likes in the form of thumbs up. So if you like this video, please thumbs up for this video and share it with your friends and family members as much as you can. So guys, this year's shoes trends are all about blending fashion and function. From sleek and sporty sneakers to elegant and sophisticated heels, there's something for every style and preferences. Some of the top trends include sustainable shoes, comfortable heels, statement sneakers, and sandals with a twist. These all are trending going on with different interesting structure and colors. So guys, if we are talking about the features of comfort, here you see that different style of shoes have cushioning, arch support, and then breathable material is used to design these lightweight and soft flexible uppers. These all are very attractive and demanding features which you are watching here in this beautiful collection of different footwear. And now there is a thing that to style your comfortable shoes, then you must try dressing up or down and mixing and matching different styles, because different structure and colors and patterns to create a unique look in your personality. And of course then adding different accessories is very important to style yourself. So guys, this video is very informative, and of course you are enjoying this particular collection. Latest fashion trends in comfortable women's shoes offer something for everyone. So I hope you will find your choice here in this video as well. If you're also planning to upgrade your wardrobe at this time, then it's very important to know different features about shoes. For example, what makes the shoes comfortable? This is the most asking question. It's not just about the material used, but also the designs and the technology that goes into creating the shoes. Here are some key factors which are very important to know before deciding to choose the comfortable shoes for yourself. First of all is that material. Material is very important. Breathable materials such as mesh and those which help to keep your feet cool and dry. This is very important feature. Then of course cushioning of the shoes. This is another very important feature. Thick, supportive insole and midsole provides comfort and shocks absorption. It's very important for nowadays. And then the third very important, that is our support. This is one of the most important features to reduce the foot fatigue. Now of course it's very important to know that what are the benefits of comfortable shoes. Wearing comfortable shoes can have number of different benefits for your overall health and well-being. Some of the benefits include reduced foot pain, improved posture, increased energy, and better foot health. So, guys, if you are interested to know more about these footwear, what you are watching, then keep in touch and keep watching this video till end. I'm sure that these all designs and styles are eye-catching for yourself. These are the stunning designs what you are watching. Now I'm sure that most of you want to ask that from where we can buy these. So, and how can we make it the part of our wardrobe? If you are interested to purchase any one shoes out of this pretty collection, then it's very easy to do. Go to the description box of this video. You will find 2-3 different links are given. By clicking on any one of the link, you will be directed to that site through which you can order one of the pair for yourself after selecting right size and right color for yourself. And guys, what the information I'm sharing with you, it is just to make you busy with this particular collection, and of course to give you proper guideline that how can you make a right choice at the time of shopping to select the right shoes for yourself. When we are talking about the comfortable shoes for different activities, it is another very important question. Usually, people want to know that what sort of shoes are suitable for different various kind of activities. For example, when you want to select the shoes for running purpose, then running shoes, these are the shoes which look for good arch support and cushioning. You have to take care of these features. And of course, then hiking shoes, for that sake you have to select a breathable material and that sole which is comfortable for your feet. Dress shoes, opt for shoes with a comfortable insole and soft breathable material is necessary. And of course, when we are talking about the athletic activities, the athletic shoes are those for which you have to select the shoes with good arch support and cushioning. So these are the important things. Then we are talking about what is the future of comfortable shoes. This is also one of very important question to know. The future of comfortable shoes look bright with new technologies and materials being developed to provide even greater comfort and support. For that sake, you see that some of the trends to watch out for include like 3D printing, smart shoes, and that material which is not only um, very comfortable but that is durable also. Then comfortable shoes for different foot type, it's also very important which sort of shoe is important for myself. So first you have to know about that which sort of your feet are. For example, flat feet, look for shoes with good arch support and stability. When we are talking about high arches, sort of feet, choose shoes with cushioning and support for high arch. And then white feet, opt for shoes with the white toe box and comfortable material. Keeping in mind all these such type of footwear and type of feet, and you will find all different sort of footwear here in this particular collection. Some of the people have narrow feet, so you have to select shoes with a narrow toe box and a secure fit. Okay, guys, these all different. I hope that these informations you will love to hear. And now it's a time if you are interested to share your comment regarding this collection or information, then you can share your views in the comment section that is open for yourself. Guys, now what is the importance of trying on shoes? Trying on shoes is essential to ensure a comfortable fit. So for that sake, you see that try on shoes in the afternoon. This is very important. Feet tends to swallow and sorry, feet tends to swell throughout the day. So try on shoes in the afternoon for a more accurate fit. Wear the same type of socks. It's very important. Walk around the store. This is very important. You have to see that these if different sort of things you have to keep in your mind when you are selecting a shoe for yourself. I remember that when we were visiting after without knowing any thing about the shoes, we just move in to different shops and we select the shoe which is very eye catching and that is very fashionable without looking towards that how much comfortable that is. But now it's due to the social media awareness campaigns and different sort of channels are providing information regarding the selection of right footwear. So now it's everybody is very conscious about and they're very aware about the selection of their shoe. And most of the people, not 100% but 90 to 95% people prefer to purchase the footwear without compromising comfort on fashion. So for that sake, fashion industry has also changed its pattern. They are trying to now manufacture different shoes which are not only comfortable but they are trendy and according to the taste and fashion needs of the customers also. So for that sake, you see that comfortable shoes are no longer just a luxury but a necessity too for nowadays. So with the latest technologies and material, shoes manufacturers are creating shoes that are both stylish and comfortable. This is only the reason they can compete in the industry. So customers will find and they are finding that how to select the right type of shoe at that time. And of course by when we are looking towards that these two features, style and comfort, are combined and these are blend, so it's very easy for ourselves to select the right shoe for ourselves. So, by understanding the science behind the comfortable shoes, the benefit of wearing them, and the different type of shoe available, you can make informed decisions when it comes to choosing the right shoe for your needs. Whether you are looking for the shoes for everyday wear or for the specific activity, so all this different sort of shoes we are sharing here in SBLO channel. So here's a comfortable shoes out there for you guys. I hope that this video is very informative and you have enjoyed all different pairs what I'm sharing here in this particular collection. So for such type of beautiful latest designs and collections, you have to keep in touch with SBLO channel. It's very necessary because not only you will find different latest designs here, but you will get number of different sort of or designs and colors of shoes here. So guys, up to this I hope you have enjoyed and keep watching and keep enjoying till end and take a very good care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.